It's May 10th, 2010. Storm Prediction Center has given us the heads up on very strong tornadoes this afternoon, so it's going to be a big day. Oh, we're in northern Oklahoma. There's the monster that put out that hail. That's a nice hook there.
Mm-hmm. And that hook is right over there.
That's what I'm talking about. There's some hail there.
Yes, there is.
Wow.
Oh, damn.
That's some big stuff.
Oh, that would hurt. Spiky.
Hail on the ground. Look at the size of these hail. Oh, it's May 11, 2010, and we're on the western Oklahoma territory, heading towards Hammond. Well, there's a good sign. We're about 20 minutes north of Elk City. We're heading south. There's that funny looking thing.